Introducing the 2015 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: V6 cylinder engine, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, tire pressure monitoring system, stability control, pass-through rear seat. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.